Hey, it's Bryan here with All American Hauling and Demolition. We're here in Oakland, California today, and we're going to demo a spa and the deck that's around it. Just want to do a little video so you can see us at work. Enjoy. Okay, we're heading into the backyard now. As you can hear, the guys are already cutting the spa up. This spa actually took a long time to cut up. It was quite a large spa that the people didn't want anymore, and the whole base was made out of metal, so it was difficult to disassemble. We also removed the decking around the spa. And now, as you can see, coming back into the backyard, it's all completely cleaned up and gone. The people are very happy, and on to the next. Hey everybody, it's Bryan here with All American Hauling and Demolition. If you like what you saw in the video and need some work done, be it big or small, give us a call or check the link below, or you can also text us. We'd love to give you a free estimate, day or night. Thanks again.